Linear S-dynamic temperature control system SUNDI-225 is mainly used for dynamic constant temperature control of cold and hot sources in the pharmaceutical and chemical industry, providing precise temperature control for reactors, distillation systems, material aging tests, etc. The temperature control range is from -80 to +250 degrees centigrade, and there is no need to replace the heat transfer medium during the entire temperature control process. The independently developed model-free self-building algorithm and the general anti-hysteresis cascade algorithm are combined to improve the temperature control accuracy. The temperature control accuracy of the heat transfer medium is ±0.5 degrees centigrade, and the temperature control accuracy of the reaction material is ±1 degree centigrade.